Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer coin from Coinbase to your crypto.com. So first you need to do is open up your Coinbase app and then log in your account. After that, you have to click on this send button from this main options on your screen. Then it will list the cryptocurrencies that you can currently transfer. So you just have to click on this cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. So I will just select the Bitcoin from here, and then in this area you have to paste the wallet address from your crypto.com. So just open up your crypto.com app and then click on this account option. After that, click on crypto wallet option, and then from this list of cryptocurrencies, select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer in your crypto.com app. I will just select Bitcoin from here, and then you have to click on this transfer button, and from this pop-up window click on deposit. On the screen you have to select the network first, so just click on this box option and then simply select the network that you want to use. After that, you will be able to get your wallet address. So just click on this copy icon right next to your wallet address, and once you have copied your wallet address, you need to open up your Coinbase app again and then paste the wallet address in this area and click on continue. Then you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer. Just enter amount and then click on preview button. After that, it might show you this screen, so just click on continue, and then lastly it will give you the summary of your transfer. So just make sure your wallet address and the network is correct, and then once you confirm these things, click on send now, and once you do that, your coin will be transferred from your Coinbase to your crypto.com. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.